Today I'm going to be learning about Earth's atmosphere, weather, and climate. Earth's atmosphere is composed of about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% of other gases. And it makes up 5 layers of the atmosphere. They're called the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Next is global patterns of air circulation and the 3 global wind belts. Global patterns of air circulation are described as the worldwide systems of winds that transports heat from tropical to polar latitudes. There are 3 circulation cells: the Hadley cell, which is nearest the equator, and the Ferrel cell, which is kind of in the middle, and the polar cell. And the wind belts are the polar easterlies, westerlies, and trade winds. How heat energy affects the changing phases of water. During the processes of melting, water absorbs energy. The energy absorbed causes the water molecules to change their bonding pattern and transform into a higher energy state. How water enters the atmosphere. A process called evaporation occurs when liquid water on Earth's surface turns into water vapor and enters the atmosphere. Here is how clouds form. When air cools, some of the water vapor condenses, and as air pressure drops, some water vapor condenses too. And then the vapor becomes small water droplets and a cloud is formed. Here's how precipitation forms. Tiny water droplets condense as tinier dust, salt, or smoke particles, and then they act as a nucleus, binding them together. They fall as sleet, snow, rain, or hail. How air masses affect weather. Tropical air masses bring warm weather. Polar and Arctic masses will bring cold weather. Continental air masses travel over land and will bring dry weather, so they have not picked up much moisture on the way. Maritime air masses travel over the sea, so will bring warm weather. How fronts lead to severe weather. A front is a weather system that is the boundary separating 2 different types of air. One type of air is usually denser than the other with different temperatures and different levels of humidity. This changing of air types causes weather such as rain, snow, cold days, hot days, and windy days. Scientists forecast weather by examining a large quantity of observation data, including surface observations, satellite imagery, radar data, radio sonde data, upper air data, wind profilers, aircraft observations, river gauges, and just simply looking outside. Here are factors that affect climate: ocean current, latitude, relief, distance from the sea, altitude, distance from the equator, topography, relief, direction of prevailing winds, and sea level. Regional climates can vary because of many factors, including the amount of sunlight it receives, its height above sea level, the shape of the land, and how close it is to oceans. Thanks for watching. I really enjoyed making this video and learned lots of new things about the atmosphere and climate and weather. See you guys later.